In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sky background in Blender. First, we need a sky texture. You can get high quality HDRI skies from Polyheaven. It's completely free and all assets there are safe to use even for commercial project. Just go to the website and just go to assets and go to HDRIs, and at the left hand side just click on skies and navigate and find the sky texture that you want to add. So let's say I really like this particular texture. I'll just click on it, and before downloading, make sure to change the format from EXR to HDR, and you can choose the quality for 2K or 4K depending on your system. Now just go ahead and download the file, and as you can see our file has been successfully downloaded. So we will just go to the file location, which is in downloads. So we will just go to Blender and go to the world properties at the right hand side, and from here we will just go to the color tab and click on the yellow color and choose environment texture. Now just click on open file explorer and go to downloads, and as this was our texture, I'll just click on it and click on open image. Now if you don't see it yet, make sure to go to the viewport shading like so, and as you can see we have successfully added a sky background in our Blender. And that's it. That's how you add a sky background in Blender. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.